Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin E capsules on your face. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that can offer many benefits for your skin. It helps protect your skin cells from environmental damage and can improve overall skin appearance. Let's dive into how you can incorporate this into your routine for a healthy glow. First, ensure your face is clean and dry. Take one vitamin E capsule and carefully snip off the tip or puncture it with a clean pin. Squeeze the rich oil directly onto your fingertips. Then, gently massage this oil onto your face and neck using upward circular motions, allowing it to absorb into your skin. You can use vitamin E oil in several ways. Apply it directly to your skin as an overnight treatment for intense hydration. Alternatively, mix a few drops with your regular moisturizer or serum to boost its benefits. For a nourishing face mask, combine it with ingredients like honey or aloe vera gel. Before full application, always perform a patch test on a small area of skin to check for any sensitivity. Remember, a little goes a long way as the oil is quite rich. If you have specific skin conditions or concerns, it is always best to consult with a dermatologist for personalized advice.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.